Want to make some extra money making videos? Alright guys, quick video. I just seen this website called Product2. Alright, this is a place where you can actually sign up for free, and it gives you opportunity to earn some extra cash simply by filming short videos. Now, I actually signed up for this a couple days ago, and how it works is once you create an account, you get an invitation, right? You get an invitation to see if you qualify to do a video for a certain product, right? So for example, when I signed up, I got an email a couple days later, and they were like, here, take this short survey to see if you qualify for a product to, you know, whatever. So they was asking me about dogs, right? So I do actually, my girl got a dog, so I actually filled out the application for it, you know, took the quick survey. So I guess they'll let me know in a week or so if they want me to do some sort of video with dog related, and I guess it has to be just a short video or whatever, and you will get, I believe, $10 if they call me for that. So this is like one of them super easy things to do. No, it's nothing where you can make a career living off of it or anything like that, but it's a way that you can earn some extra cash. Now, I don't know how many opportunities you will get. Who texted me? How many opportunities you can get in a week or a month or whatever. Like I said, I got an invitation to qualify for a video a couple days after signing up. I didn't get called yet to see if you know, I qualify to actually do the video. But if you sign up for it, hey, maybe you get called to do a video, maybe you get more invitations. So it's just another opportunity, guys, another way that you can potentially earn some super easy extra cash. All right, so if you want to check out Product2, I'll put a link to it in the description of this video so you can check it out and sign up for it right now. I'm stuttering, but sign up for it now. So be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.